Hey, what's going on, guys? Spencer back with another box break. Today I got a box of Fairfield baseball 4-packs, 50 cards plus a bonus. And today is my birthday, and this was one of my presents. I got a few boxes. Got a few basketball, a few baseball. Hey, this is one of them that I got. It's by the Fairfield company. You get 4 packs, 50 cards plus a bonus item. It's probably like one of those teeny mate packs, like I got in my basketball one. Yeah, I've never ripped a baseball one. Yeah, let's get cracking. And I'm sorry that I haven't filmed in a while. I did make a video, but it failed to post. So yeah, and I'm sorry about that. So yep, here's baseball 10 packs, 50 cards. Sorry, not 10 packs, 4 packs. All right, and as I suspected, a teeny mate pack. Series 1, Tops, Opening Day, Tops, Bowman, and second series, Tops Big Pack. And here's those 50 cards. I think that we'll do the teammate first. I'm gonna try to go as quick as I can. Here's your checklist, puzzle piece. And first guy, I'll do the one on the wrapper, is the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. And I'll take it out of a little bag. That cut, and dang it didn't. Cut! There we go. There we go. I bumped something next to me. Yep, there's the Angels. Never mind. Then there's one other one in here, which is the Tampa Bay Rays. Oh, there we go. I was kind of hoping for a Cubs one, and it won't focus, but you know that's all right. Next we'll do the 50 cards. In basketball, we got a ton of vintage cards and like cool products, but this one I'm not expecting anything. Bryce Harper, Rookie of the Year card. Adrian Gonzalez. We'll just flip them. Oh, there we go. Mike Trout. I think this is like a third-year card. Wow, there we go. It's a good card right there. And a Bryce Harper Rookie Trophy. Let's do good cards already. Here we got some 1987 Tops. One of like favorite, like one of my favorite sets of all time. One of the greatest sets of all time. Dave Hollins, 1991 Tops. 1992 Fleer Ultra. Some good products here. Mini Trio. Cubs in the 90s. Some 1990 Tops. And some more 87 Tops. 88 Tops. More 90. 87. You know, like Oil Can Boyd. Like, there's a ton of like vintage cards in here, and I personally don't care for vintage cards. I like 1991 Leaf. That's pretty cool. Mike Harkey rated rookie. Never heard of him. Omar Vizquel. That's actually pretty cool. I'll set that aside. That is really cool. 1984 Upper Deck Collector's Choice David Justice checklist. I personally don't care for checklists, but that is cool. But I do like the 1994 Upper Deck Collector's Choice checklists. Abraham Nunez, 1998 Leaf. Carlton Fisk, Hall of Famer. Dave Martinez. Yeah, he did play the Cubs. Sean Dunston, he was a big star in the 90s for the Cubs, 80s and 90s, and this is a rookie card, 1986. Don Russ, Sean Dunston rookie card. I'll set that aside. He was a good player in the 90s, in the 80s for the Cubs when they were bad. Some 90, 89 per deck. Yep, we got a big pile of just nothing. Just worthless base card. I think I'll do opening day, tops, big, and then Bowman. Yep. Do this opening day first. What good cards can you get here? Oh, well, yeah, you got a Jason Hayward. I'll set that aside. Fulmer, Hanley Ramirez, Raymond, the Rays mascot. There's a good one right there. I said, what good things can we get out of here? Fairfield Devers rookie. That's I think like my third one. Adrian Beltre just recently retired in Giancarlo Stanton. I'll throw that Devers in his sleeve real quick. And I think that I'm out of top loaders, so the lighting is pretty bad. So I guess I'll do it like that way. Dang it! Alright, there we go. Alright, 2018 top series one. Also, what good cards can you get out of here? Let's kind of skim through the base real quick. Jackson Stevens, Roy Halladay, rest in peace. Derek Jeter. This is like a blooper. Well, these are numbered, I don't think. Yep. Next up, we got I think this is 88 tops big. This is the second series. I haven't opened up a vintage pack in a while. This is the first time in a while that I've opened up a vintage pack. This is 88 tops big, right? Or this is like 89. What is this? Oh. Is this 88? 89? I think this is 89 tops big. Yep, 1989 tops big. Greg Gagne. These are like 1950 something tops. Early 50s tops cards and like Bowman cards. 89 Bowman. Kevin Mitchell, Terry Kennedy, Steve Bushel, Tim Flannery, Barry Larkin, good one. Tony Fernandez. So at least we got some good players out of that pack. All right, last we got the 2018 Bowman. Don't know what's good out of here. Stroman, Swanson, Chrome, Khalil Lee, Jahmai Jones, Leody Taveras, Bowman trending. Michael Conforto, Bowman birthdays, Dane Dunning, Joe Adele. And Fernando Tatis Jr. I think is like the number 2 overall prospect in Major League Baseball. Yep, though it wasn't a very bad box. We got a good stack of like decent cards, including this nice Devers. Yep, so that will end this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you wish me a happy birthday in the comments below. You know what? I am gonna see you later.